Hello, today we're going to learn on how to prepare divergent line graph, how to prepare a divergent line graph. So in order to prepare this, we have few steps to follow, and step number 1, it is to find the total value of a data. Step number 1 is to find the total value of the data, and step number 2 is to find the mean of the data. After finding the mean, the next step is to find the deviation of each data, and then step number 4 is by using the obtained data, we have to draw the divergent line. So how do we do this one? Check the procedures here. We have said that step number 1 is to find the total value of a data. So for example, we are given a question here in a table. We have a year and we have a maize production. Here we have a year 2000, 2001, we have 2002, 2003, and we have maize here production 500 for 2000, 1000 for 2001, 2500 for 2002, and 2000 for 2003. So to solve this one, first we should find the mean. So we take the mean of the data which are varying, the maize production data. So we take the mean here, we add total values here to find the summations, and divide by this one. So we take this one, 500 plus 1000, then we add with 2500, then we also add with 2000 here. So it will be like this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. And since there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we divide them by 4. So there we get 6000 divided by 4. This is our mean. So the step number 1 was to find the mean. So now we have the mean. What is the next step from this point? The next step is to use the obtained mean to find the deviations. To use the obtained mean to find the deviation. So there is a simple table here. You can see this is a year, this is a mean, and here's to find the deviation. To obtain a deviation, we take each value in a year, we minus with the mean. We take each value, we minus with the mean. For example, in a year 2000, maize production was 500. So we take 500 minus the mean. For the year 2001, we take the maize production which was 1000, we minus with the mean. And for the year 2000, we take this one, maize production 2500, we minus with the mean. And for the year 2003, we take the production which is 2000, we minus with the mean. So you can see here in the table, this is a year, we have a year, and the second part we have the mean, which is the same for all the parts. And step number 3, we have the deviations. So we take this one, 500 minus with the mean. For 2000, we get a deviation which is negative 1000. And for the year 2001, we take the value which was 1000, then we minus with the mean, which is this one, we get a negative 500. And for the year 2002, the value of data was this one, 2500. Also we minus with the mean, we obtain 1000 as the deviation. And also for the year 2003, our mean is this one, the same. We take the value of the data which is 2000, we also minus it with the mean, we get 500. So we draw the deviation graphs, line graph, by using the deviation obtained. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So in order to draw, you will prepare your scale And the deviation graph always has two parts. The first part is from the 0 to positive, and the second part is from the 0 to negative. We do the two parts, a positive part and a negative part. Positive part for the data which are positive, and the negative part for the data which are negative. And we always draw the years at the bottom. So here at the bottom we'll plot data for the years, and from our question here we only have 4 years. We'll draw here 2000 here. Also we'll have a 2001, also 2002, and the last one 2003. Again, we'll draw a data from 0 here to negative and from 0 to positive. So since we have these datas, negative 1000, negative 500, 1000 and 500, we can prepare a simple scale by drawing, let's say, for each 1 centimeter we'll put 1000 data. So from the positive part, the graph will be like this: 100, 200, 300, here 400, as seen in this part. From the 0, 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 1000. And then from the negative part, we have a negative 100, negative 200, negative 300. Then we proceed here up to negative 1000. So this will be our chart. And from there, what next is we plot the data. So from the 2000, from the 2000 here, our data was negative 1000. What do we do? So we're starting from the 0 here. Since our data was negative 1000, then we plot this one starting from 0 up to where negative 1000 is. So we come from this point, negative 1000 is at this point, then we put here a dot. Again we move to the next year, which is 2001, and 2001 our deviation was negative 500. So this is a year 2001. We start from the 0 at this point. The negative 500 is at this point here. We put another dot there, and again we move to the next year, which is 2002. Here we have a positive 1000. We have a positive 1000 for the deviation. So since it's positive, this one is plotted at the positive part from the 0 there above. And a year, this one was a year 2002, so we move up to 0 at this point. Since it is positive, we find the positive 1000 there above this one. You can see at the table from the both sides. Then we put another dot there. And for the last year, which is 2003, we have positive here, positive 500, and also we move to our table. The year 2003 is this one. We move up to the 0 point there, and from the 0 point we find the positive 500, which is above there to the point. We put another dot there. After that, you take a ruler and connect all the points. Starting from the first point, you connect by using a ruler to the second point. Then you connect by using a ruler to the third point. Then you connect by using a ruler to the last point there. Then your graph is over. So that is how we draw the divergent line graph. If you have any question, you can leave there to the comment sections, and I will should thank you for watching this video, and I request for you to subscribe to our new channel so as you can get the update. Please subscribe to the new channel, and thank you for watching.